What's up, traders? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you 3 price action strategies that you need to master and become very profitable in your trade. The only thing to add to them is risk management and proper trading psychology. Okay, so I'm going to show you these 3 price actions right away. You can see this trade I took here. This is where I'm entered this trade about 4 positions and I exited them right here. I'm even sad because the trade went even farther than I thought it would go. Look at all this, like so much more than I thought it would go. But I left with more than twice my risk. Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys these 3 strategies, these 3 price action strategies that you need to become a profitable trader. Meanwhile, before I do that, like this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and then check the description box of this video. You see a link to my Telegram channel. Click the link and join my Telegram for chart setups and daily signals. Even this trade I took, I also posted it in my Telegram, and I do post them in my free Telegram, sharing signals for people to enjoy and make money with me. So let's get started right away. Okay, so here I have the first one here that I want you to know is the market structure strategy. So what is the market structure strategy? First of all, you want to mark your support and resistance levels. You want to do your top-down analysis from the higher time frame, and then you want to identify the directional bias of the market. So you want to see that probably price, in this case, price was bearish. Okay, so in a bearish market, you are going to be seeing this kind of market structure. Price will be breaking structure to the downside and coming back to retest the supply level, just like this, breaking structure to the downside, coming back to retest the supply level. This is exactly how it is going to be in a bearish market. So when you identify that it's a bearish market, go to lower time frames and start identifying the market structures. If you see this one here, as price breaks the structure like this, wait for it to reverse. Let's say it comes back here somewhere like this. Maybe this is where you have your order block or stuff like that. That's your support, that's your demand, that's your supply level. That's your supply level. Wait for price to come there, you make your entry, and you are good to go. That is just how you trade the market structure strategy. The first thing is that you must do your top-down analysis to know where market is heading to. Then mark that place where market is heading to. That is your support and resistance, because price moves from resistance to support and from support to resistance. That is, price moves from key level to key level. That's how price moves. That's just how price moves, from key level to key level to another key level. So when price is moving from your resistance to your support, it's going to give you this kind of structure here, this kind of market structure, bearish market structure. But if it is moving from a support level to a resistance level, is going to be giving you something like this. Okay, so it's going to be giving you higher highs and higher lows. Okay, but in a bearish market where price is moving from a resistance level to a support, it's going to be giving you lower lows and lower highs, just like this. So when price breaks the low here, wait for it to come back to an area of the supply, then you sell from there. Then if it breaks structure again, wait for it to return again to the area of supply, then you do what? You sell again, probably here, something like this. Yeah, you sell again. That's just how this strategy works. We will go to the chart and I will show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Meanwhile, let me also show you guys the second one. The second one is the break of trend line, break of minor support, and the retest of it. This is another strategy, another price action strategy that when you master it, it will change the way you trade forever. Okay, so first you want to see a trending market like this, then wait for price to break the trend line. Draw your trend line first of all, wait for price to break it. Before price breaks it, usually, or even when price wants to break it, usually it forms a kind of support, kind of mini support, few rejections. Mark them out. Even if it's one, mark it out. Wait for price to break the trend line and don't take your trade yet. Wait for price to also come back and break that support that it created, or resistance as the case may be. In this case, it's support. So wait for price to break the support, let it break it, and wait for a retest. When price goes to retest it, then you can now sell. All right, that is it. Then the next one is this: wait for this kind of setup, double bottom and double top. Okay, when price is coming down, you want to see it bounce from a key level once, bounce again twice. Then it is going to create what we call a neckline. Mark it and stretch it to the right hand. Mark it with your tool and extend it to the right hand. Then wait for price to return back to retest it. Anywhere around here, when price comes, then that is where you buy from. Then if it's a double top, the same thing happened, just the same thing that happened there is what is going to happen here. The only difference is that it's going to be inverted and it's going to be in the opposite direction. So here price bounced from here and dropped, returned, bounced from the same place and dropped, and then this is the neckline. You mark it. When you mark the neckline, wait for price to return back to retest it, then you sell from there. Now there is a specific rule for this. Okay, you must understand that when price comes back to retest the neckline, it must not bounce exactly from the neckline. It can go, it can dip a little bit into this range. Okay, from the where you have the this top to where you have this neckline, it can dip a little bit into it. Then wherever it gives you the signal to sell, that's where you sell. The same thing with this, wherever it gives you the signal to buy, that's where you buy. But just bear in mind that it can, you know, dip a little bit more into this range. Okay, so that's just it. Now let's go to the chart. Let me explain these things. I used two of the signals. I used two of the setups, two of the strategy. I used them to take trades today, and I also shared the trades in the Telegram group, our free Telegram group. That is why you must join the Telegram group. Okay, so this is it here. We have the, just look at this, guys. Take a look here. So price came here, price was dropping. So at this point, it bounced and went up, dropped, came to the same place, bounced again, giving us what to call a double bottom, right? It gave us a double bottom right here. Then this is the neckline. You can see when it came here, struggled a little to pass it, then it broke it. So I marked my neckline and extended it to the right. You can see that. I extended it to the right hand, waited for price to retest. Now when price came to retest, I did not just jump in. Okay, because I know that sometimes it doesn't reverse from here. So because if I want to take the trade here, that means that my stop loss will come below here. And in the case where price dips in like this, you see that you suffer so much drawdown. So what do? Wait for price to, you know, dip in. Wait for price to dip in, and then wait for candlestick confirmation. You can see what happened here. Price dipped in, then gave us this candlestick confirmation. Can see this bullish engulfing candlestick here. Yeah, that's it. Went up, dropped again, and then started pushing up. You can see bullish candles. In this case, I actually waited for it to break above this, to close above this moving average. That was when I entered the trade actually. Then my stop loss was here, below here. Then I was able to catch about 1:2 here, about 1:2. Then price kept pushing up actually. Price kept pushing up, but I was okay with this. I caught 1:2, so that's good. It's better to leave the trade to continue running, like leave some money on the table than for you to lose your trade. Okay, so I caught about 1:2 and left it here, continued running. So that's just it. That's how this strategy works, guys. That's how it works. All you need to do is wait for double bottom and double bottom to be formed, then wait for price to break out of it, mark the neckline, wait for price to come retest, then you take your trade and you place your stop loss right here, right below. Okay, and then target a minimum of 1:2. That's it, a minimum of 1:2 risk reward ratio. You can see how this thing moves so well. Okay, so that's just it. That's it. So we have something that looks close to the other one here. So we have a top here and a top here, double top, then the neckline. We have something that looks like that. So this one will give you a sell signal. So you mark the neckline, right? You mark the neckline like this. You can see this one reversed exactly from the neckline. So price breaks out, comes back to retest it. This one reversed exactly from the neckline, and this is it. It dropped massively. This would have been a whole lot of money for you to cash out. That is it. It works so well. All right, so now let's look at the break of trend line and support level, then the retest before you take the trade. I think we can still find that somewhere here. Yeah, I think we can still find that somewhere here. Let me see. We have this. Okay. We have this here. Yeah, I think I took a trade on something like that today. Where was it? That was jump 10. I think I took a trade like that today. Yep. Let's see. Jump 10. Is this? Was it jump 10? I took a trade like that today. Jump 75. That's it. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is jump 75. I took a trade like that today using this same setup. So this is it. Actually, you can see exactly what I said. So here we had a trend line like this. This price was trending and we had this trend line. So price got to where it wanted, then came back and broke the trend. Now it formed a little support. So you can see that it formed this support. Even when it broke the trend line, went back and tested, I did not enter. I wanted to see this support broken, because sometimes it will break the trend line, then bounce from the support and continue going up. Okay, so I wanted to see this support level that was created. I wanted to see it broken. So price broke it actually, then it broke out of it. You can see, then went back to retest. That was exactly where I took my trade. You can see when it gave me this candlestick pattern. Look at it. This what candlestick pattern is this? This one is here, is tweezer top, while this one is a kind of inverted hammer, right? So I just know it is a bearish rejection candle. All right, so when I saw it, I knew price was getting. Then the next one here that followed was a very bearish candle here. You can see that with a very bearish candle that followed. Then I waited for a little pullback. I jumped in immediately. So that's it. Basically this was the next low, but it wasn't up to 1:2 risk reward ratio here. So I waited for it to come down more. When I saw this strong bearish strong bullish candle. I wanted to even hold further, but when I saw this strong bullish candle, I was not comfortable, so I closed. This was my stop loss here, right? So this is up to 1:2 risk reward ratio, all right, or even more. That was more than 1:2 risk reward ratio, so that was good. You can see it went back and retested it again the second time. It went and retested the second time and then dropped massively. I missed out on this one. This was even a better drop. This was a better trade. I should have entered this, but I missed out. So anyways, because that's how it happens sometimes. And I don't like taking the second one. Actually, I like the first one. It's more accurate. So this is it, guys. Now let's look for the second one, the market structure strategy. The market structure strategy. Now okay, this was even double bottom strategy again. Like, it plays out every now and again. This was the neckline. Price broke above, came back, retested it, and pushed up. Like, every now and again, it happens in the market. Every now and again. So if you watch closely, you are going to, keep seeing it, and you keep cashing out from it. Keep making a lot of money from it. That is why you must master this candlestick, these price action strategies that I'm teaching you now. You must master them to improve your profitability in trading. Okay, so let's now look at the second one, the let's now look at the second one, the third one rather, which is the last, and that is the market structure strategy. The market structure strategy. So how does it work? How it works is just very simple. It's just very simple. You want to see price creating, if it's in an uptrend, you want to see price creating a higher height. Wow. Meanwhile, look at this. We even had the same setup here, where price was giving us a trend line like this, can see. Then at this point, price broke the trend line, bounced from the support that it created already, and pushed up. You see, so that's why we want to wait for the price to break the trend line. And as you can see, at this point, price broke the trend line, then went back and retested it, and also dropped. You can see the massive drop. This is crazy, guys. So this strategy really works. Now there is another thing here, the market structure strategy. The market structure strategy that I talked about. You can see this is how it looks here. This is what it looks like, the market structure strategy. Now let's see. At this point, what do you see? Price was making lower highs, right? So at this point, price even created a lower high here, went back and retested it. This was the supply level here. So price went back, retested the supply level. Let me mark it. Price retested supply level. We are using this other block. That is it. Price tapped into it and started dropping massively. So at this point, price broke the low, created another low. So it went back to retest. Can see this was another block here. That was what it tapped into, and it dropped again, broke this low here, and then went back to make a retest, and then retested a supply level there and dropped again. That is exactly what price continued doing until it broke this high. So this is the market structure strategy. Let me know in the comment section which of this strategy is best for you. Which do you like most? Me, I like the three of them, and I'm going to be using the three of them. I have been using them. You can see I've shown you two already that I used to make profit today. So I'm going to keep using them. The three of them work very well, and sometimes you can see three of them playing out together in a single setup, and that is what we call A plus setup. When you see that kind of setup, it's almost 100% guarantee that it will play out in your favor. So watch this video at least 5 times so that you understand everything I've explained to you. Okay, so master the break of trend line and support level and a retest of it. Break and retest of trend line and support level. Double top and double bottom, and then market structure strategy. These 3 price action strategy, they are all you need. Once you master them, just add risk management and proper trading psychology. Believe me, you are good. You will see how your life will turn around as a trader. If you want to learn more, check the description box, join my Telegram channel, click the Telegram link there and join my Telegram channel. And I will be posting signals every day, like every blessed day, signals and chart setups. Of course, even the trade, this very trade I took, I also posted it. The trades I took, I posted them both in my VIP group and in my free group. Okay, look at it here. I posted the trades. Look at these ones. I posted some setups. This was the trade I took that I just explained to you guys here. This is it. When I saw it playing out like this, I told them that once you see a breakout here and a retest, buy. And that was what happened. That's VIX 10. So I post signals and chart setups every day with tutorials, including this one. It can see it happened like that. It went back, retested and dropped. So that's just how we operate here. Click the Telegram link and join. I also posted this one when it was playing out, and this one TP was smashed very easily. Okay, so that just it. Can see it's the same strategy playing out. All right, so make sure you join the family. You can see this one. This was a sniper entry. I post these signals. Post the chart setups. Can see this one. Is it sniper entry? So guys, join us. Look at this one, step index. I also posted the signal here. Look at it. And this one, I posted them. Like I used to post the signals, and we all take the trade together. Can see. So join this group, join the Telegram group. The link is in the description box. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. You'll be watching my tutorials on my signals. Sometimes I just make a video on a signal that is about to play out. When I see the pattern playing out, I just make a video on it and post. Now look at this one. This is where price was. I posted it. Okay, this is it. Now look at the results. You can see when it dropped very well. So anyone that took this trade would have made a lot of money. So this is how we operate here. Okay, so if you want to become a profitable trader, make sure to join us. So this one here, this step index, can see as soon as I took the trade, I posted it. I told them it's going to go down here. Now look at it. First TP was smashed at this point. I posted it also, and then at this point price had gone down very well. And then at this point, okay, what is it? Okay, we waited. Yeah, at this point the second TP was smashed. This was a beautiful trade. So guys, if this is what you want, if you're interested in something like this, just click the Telegram link in the description box and join us right away. You can see we have more than 1,000 members of the group, and everybody is benefiting. So that's all for now. This is the Alpha Trade. Let me know which of these strategies I posted is best for you. Okay, let me in the comment section below. You can see that's the same strategy I just taught you guys here. That's what I used here. Price has broken trend line, and then this was the support it created here. When I waited for a retest and a bounce, so I entered the trade here and I posted it in the group. You can see it's dropped massively. Type massively in the comment section if you love it. So that's just it, guys. That's just how it plays out. All right, so yeah, you can also contact me for mentorship, for account management, and for VIP signal group, to join my VIP signal group. All right, so That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.